Welcome to PolarByte, where we break down crypto, markets, and the future of money, not with hype, but with structure. If you're here to understand how capital actually moves, how smart money positions, and how to stay ahead of the cycle, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Right now, Bitcoin is tearing through the $76,000 level and shattering resistance zones on its way to a projected $88,000. But if you are trading from here in Canada, capturing that upside has gotten significantly harder. Canadian regulators have implemented strict new custody mandates and reporting frameworks that make flying under the radar impossible. Today, we are going to break down the exact global geopolitical forces driving this latest breakout. Then I will show you step by step how to set up a fully compliant domestic account to legally shield every dollar of those gains from the Canada Revenue Agency. Nailing a profitable trade is only step one. Keeping that profit out of the hands of the taxman is how you actually win the cycle. This map highlights the Strait of Hormuz, a critical bottleneck for global energy transit. Following a recently negotiated ceasefire between the US, Israel, and Iran, this waterway was declared open for commercial vessels again. Instantly, the geopolitical fear that was pricing oil at a premium evaporated. Brent crude futures plummeted 10%, dropping to around $85 a barrel almost overnight. This chart shows the resulting divergence in the markets. With the threat to the energy supply removed, investors rushed back into risk-on assets. You can see the S&P 500 hitting back-to-back all-time highs and adding $7 trillion in value, right alongside Bitcoin's steep climb. Normally, as a resource-heavy economy, the Canadian dollar drops right alongside oil. But right now, our currency has completely decoupled from those commodity exports, reacting almost entirely to central bank interest rates instead. Across the broader market, volatility measures like the VIX are falling. That stability has given large institutions the confidence to relentlessly accumulate spot Bitcoin, moving roughly $5 billion worth off exchanges and straight into cold storage over the last 2 months alone. With international tensions cooling, excess capital is rotating back into the system, and Bitcoin is acting as the direct sponge for that global liquidity. When you combine that sudden rush of institutional demand with a severely restricted circulating supply, you get the exact structural conditions required to drive the price straight toward that $88,000 target. But capturing that upside requires navigating the Canada Revenue Agency's new rules. They recently rolled out an automated crypto asset reporting framework that actively tracks your fiat to crypto conversions and domestic trades. To hide their trades from this tracking, many Canadians try using a virtual private network to spoof their location and access restricted offshore exchanges like Binance. Do not do this. This flowchart shows how offshore platforms catch you. Detecting a VPN triggers an IP alert, freezing your account. They will demand a mandatory KYC audit. When your Canadian ID doesn't match your fake location, your funds are permanently locked. Risking a total irreversible loss of your capital just to bypass geoblocks is a terrible trade. A fully compliant, regulated domestic strategy is the only reliable way to protect your money. For Canadians, the safest and most effective platform to use right now is simple. It is fully compliant with the new institutional-grade zero custody mandates, keeping you completely inside the regulatory lines. To get started, you just need a valid Canadian social insurance number and your initial deposit ready to transfer from your standard bank account. Once you log in, bypass the standard crypto trading options. You want to specifically open a tax-free savings account or an RRSP if that fits your timeline better. These registered accounts are explicitly designed by the government to shield your investments. They are the only legitimate method available to completely insulate your trading gains from the CRA. This chart compares a $10,000 profit in both account types. An unregistered account loses a huge chunk of that profit to capital gains taxes. The TFSA keeps the entire amount. Zero taxes owed. By routing your capital through a TFSA, you turn strict government regulations into your most powerful ally. Powerful wealth building tool. Now, there is a catch. Under current laws, you cannot hold raw spot Bitcoin directly inside any registered Canadian account. The solution is to buy a regulated Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. This acts as a wrapper, giving you pure exposure to Bitcoin's price movements while legally qualifying for the tax shelter. Inside your new TFSA, use the search bar to look up the Fidelity Advantage Bitcoin ETF or the Evolves Cryptocurrencies ETF. Both options track the underlying asset and offer zero commission trading. Before you click buy, take a moment to assess your own risk tolerance. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, so only commit capital that aligns with your personal financial plan. Once your order fills, you are successfully bridging the gap. You have exposed your portfolio to the massive upside of digital assets entirely within the safety of traditional financial infrastructure. Your setup is now complete. You hold a legally protected institutional-grade position in the market. If Bitcoin successfully pushes through its current resistance and hits that $88,000 target, every single cent of the profit you generate belongs strictly to you. Keep a close eye on the macro environment though. The current ceasefire keeping the Strait of Hormuz open is only scheduled to last until late April. If negotiations break down, severe global volatility will immediately return to the charts. If you are ready to set this up, grab the Wealthsimple link in the description below to claim their initial deposit cash matches. And before you go, drop a comment letting me know which country you are watching from today. Making money in a bull run is great, but executing a flawless local tax strategy ensures you actually get to keep it. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people in the market. Subscribe to PolarByte for breakdowns that actually help you think, not just react. And before you go, drop your view in the comments, because in this market, understanding the structure is everything. I'll see you in the next one.